The Ministry of Defense of Azerbaijan has released footage showed a drone attack targeting a new Armenian TOR-M2KM surface-to-air missile system. The TOR-M2KM is a modern short-range air defense system that Armenia has received from Russia last year. A video statement published on the Ministry of Defense website said that on November 9, at 15:50, the Armenian TOR-M2KM SAM, which was used against Azerbaijani aircraft and placed between the private houses by the enemy in the Kojavan direction of the front, was destroyed by precision-guided munitions. This video, released by the Azerbaijan Ministry of Defense, shows an Azerbaijani combat drone tracking an Armenian TOR-M2KM and blowing up the air defense system. Armenian Prime Minister Nikol Pashinyan said on December 21 that Yerevan had bought Russian TOR-M2KM anti-aircraft missile systems and released a photo of a recently received modern air defense system. According to Russian multiple reports, the TOR-M2KM provides round-the-clock protection against both fixed rotary-wing aircraft and air-launched weapons including cruise missiles, anti-radiation weapons, guided and gliding bombs, and unmanned aerial vehicles. It is a self-contained fighting module version of the system that can be mounted in various locations. The module weighs 15 tons and contains all equipment needed to operate without any external support. It can go from standby to full alert in 3 minutes and acquire 144 air targets while simultaneously tracking the 20 most dangerous ones marked for priority by the two-man crew. The TOR-M2KM missiles have a range of 15 kilometers.